Concept number 5 has to deal with compound inequalities. So a couple different things with compound inequalities. Let's talk about this guy here. So we're going to deal with inequalities with and or. Okay? So let's give an example. All real numbers greater than 2 and less than 6. We're going to write it like this way. X is greater than 2 and x is less than 6. We can write that as one single inequality with two signs. This is also can be read as x is between 2 and 6. Between 2 and 6. So this is all the numbers that are between 2 and 6, not including 2 and 6. Okay? The second one is all real numbers greater than or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 6. So that's the same thing, just with closed circles and or equal to. Okay? So these are the and inequalities. These ones are the or inequalities. The or inequalities look like this. All real numbers less than 2 or greater than 6. I cannot have a number that is both less than 2 and greater than 6. So that's why we put it in or. I split up the number line. So if you notice, these ones have a shaded area that's common with the and inequalities. With the or inequalities, we're going to have a split number line. We're going to go in opposite directions, okay? So these ones are called an intersection with an and inequality because it's an intersection of all the numbers that are bigger than 2 and less than 6. These ones are called a union. The or inequalities have a union, okay? It's not the numbers that it have in common. You can think of it as like a Venn diagram. The and inequalities are what's in between, what they have in common, okay? The or inequalities, they have absolutely nothing in common, okay? There's nothing in the middle, okay? Here's another way to look at it. Here's all the numbers that are less than 10 and greater than 0. These are all the numbers they have in common, okay? That's called an intersection. All right, so here I want all the numbers that are less than 0 and greater than 10. Instead of writing two different number lines, I want them on the same number line, which is why I do that. Okay, so it's a little bit of an introduction into compound inequalities. In the next video, we're going to start solving them.